Hello everyone, good morning. This is Kevin Anthony from the FabLab here at Ball High School. Today I'm going to talk about getting your files ready for the laser cutter or laser engraver from Illustrator. First thing I want to do is I'm logged into my Adobe Creative Cloud and I'm logged into Illustrator and I have a new document here that I opened up. Two things you want to check. You just want to go to File, Document Color Mode. You want to make sure that your document is in RGB color mode right there. That has to do with the laser cutter itself. Good idea always turn on the rulers too, which is Control R. And let's just talk about how to prepare your file. So I'm going to do a simple shape here. I'm just going to draw a rectangle, and that's with the black outline. So two things you have to remember for the laser cutter. Anything that's black, as far as a line goes, is going to be engraved. Anything that's red is going to be cut. So if we have, for example, this box, if we were to send this to the laser cutter, it would basically just engrave this box around the outside. If we were to fill this in with a color, say black, here, it would actually engrave this whole thing as a square like that. Just say, for example, if we wanted to cut the square out, we need to make the line, its weight size has to be 0.001 as far as the weight on the size itself, and the color has to be red, RGB red. So I want to just say cut this out here. I want the red line here. I'm going to choose red and say I want the inside of the square to be black. I'll zoom in here so you can see. When we send this to the laser cutter, it's going to engrave this first, this whole black area here, and it's then going to cut. It's going to cut because the line is set at the stroke is 0.001 inches. If you have a line, this box here, anything else, for example, if you have a square or you have a circle, whatever you happen to be doing, and just say it's not filled, I'm going to take the fill out of both of those so you can see what I'm talking about. Right now, those lines are set at red 0.001, so those would be cut out. If you happen to, for example, choose to make it just 1 point in length itself, or the shape itself, this would actually be engraved. Even though it's red in color, it would just be engraved because the size of the line has to do with cutting. So once again, red is 0.001, has to be red, RGB, and then anything black will be engraved.